Oh. Hey guys, it is the Nash Vegas sisters, Julie here,
Diana,
and we are Goodwill hunting. We are at our fourth Goodwill of the day, and we are really having a great time today. We're finding all kinds of fun stuff, and today, because it is senior day, yes, I'm old, I qualify, but I'll deny it if you ever ask. Anyway.
barely.
Okay, yeah, barely. We just reached the requirement. But it really pays off here at Goodwill. So we are going to be putting on all of our finds from the other ones. But today, we're going to teach you how we walk around. This is one of the bigger ones. And how we look for things. And how we use a phone and do a Google search on things that we're looking to thrift that we might want to resell. So come along on our journey. Let's go. Let's go find some fun. Go. Oh. Probably. All right. Oh, hey, look at this. Check that out.
Ooh, that's cute.
Isn't that cool? It says Yankee Doodle came to town, let freedom ring.
Oh, that's really cute.
We're going to look at the bottom and it says Bethany Lowe Designs. Everybody see that? So it's $9.99, but because it is not a red tags are not discounted. It will be 40% off today for Senior Day. So then we're going to go on our site here and we're going to look up. Let's see. We're gonna push it in and. Oh. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and take our Google apps. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay. So, do you see what the? Whoop. A lot of editing here. So we're gonna take the Google app. Everybody see that Google app right there? We're gonna take that Google app and we're gonna go ahead and hit that thing that looks like a camera. Did everybody see that? Right here. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and hit that, and we're going to take a picture of it. And then it's going to give us all kind. Oh, there it is. So now we know that it is the Bethany Lowe 4th of July bowl, and it's found on WorthPoint, and it does say that it's in eBay. Well, what I like to do that's a little faster is to go out and then go to my eBay app and put in this Bethany Lowe 4th of July bowl. And then, look, now we have found it, okay? So we have the bowl, okay? So now what you want to do, I am on my completed items list, so you can see that it did sell. And then you can see that that's actually a smaller bowl, that Bethany Lowe stuff does sell. So that is the bowl. Guys, $9.99, 40% off. We're going to pay $6 today. That is a take. Let's do it. In the cart. Have to see what we've found, guys. Bring it on.
There's Julie. Let's see if she found anything.
Okay, okay, guys, I am working on my Google app because remember what I taught you? You go into the picture, plain white Corningware. Now, I'm not a really big Corningware collector, but I love the plain white, and these look brand new. I really have a lot of La Creuset at home, which I really like, but I've been really wanting just plain white. And I am going to buy these for me. I'm not going to put them online because I want them for souffles. I love them. But we're looking online, and each one of these is about $35 for the little ones. And then obviously I haven't checked the big ones yet. If we go to eBay, then I've looked already, and this set is worth well over $100. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to score these. Now, I found something else recently. And actually, Diana and I found these. We're really excited. So you always have to watch for the new carts to come out. Okay? And so I'm going to put these up here to show you that these are from Pottery Barn from Christmas. Okay, there is a set of 4 of them. They are in perfect condition. Oh, are you watching how? Oh, we have a friend, guys.
I got a 40-foot comics full of antique collections.
Oh, yeah?
And I'm still going. But no, I should do that.
Well, we are the Nash Vegas sisters, and we have a YouTube channel, and we try to show people how to use a Google app and be able to research if something is worth any money.
Oh, I kind of have an idea. Well, sort of an idea.
Well, I never had an idea.
I don't. Not the new stuff, but I know my brand names and stuff, but yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're going to buy some Corningware today, and then we're showing everybody how to see these Pottery Barns. Aren't those cute?
Yes.
And so they are name brand Pottery Barn.
$1, which is actually
yes, $1. So there is a set of 4 of them. So Diana, let them see how I'm doing this. Can you? There you go.
There you go.
So, see how I have them in my camera? Well, now they're going to bring them up, and they've got the set of 4, and we're going to look at the set of 4 for the Pottery Barn. Let's see, we have to find the right ones. Oh, here they are. And they are considered vintage mugs.
They are?
They are
Like
definitely considered vintage. There they all are. And we're going to go ahead and do a visit. And each one of those mugs is about $39. So guys, we scored.
You would not think of that.
I
To me,
know.
that's new stuff, so I don't bother with those.
Yeah. Oh no, vintage. 99 cents, and they are 40% off today. Score. All right. Look what I just found. Guys,
Wow.
look, Corral boots. They're in really great shape. I mean, they have a little bit of normal wear and tear. Let's go ahead and check them out on my app. All right. So we're going to take out the app. And I think they sell these at Boot Barn. But here, let's go ahead and do the app thing and figure out how much they're worth. So we're going to get to the app, do our Google app like we do, and voila, here they are, guys. $175. Check that out. And there's others kind of like them, but these are the exact ones. So we're going to look at that, okay? Then we're going to look at how much we're paying for them, okay? $19.99, 40% off. They'll be about $12. We'll let you know how much we make. Hang on, can I just put all this up here because we're doing a what can you find it YouTube thing, if you wouldn't mind. All right, let's do it.
Scan it through it.
Go ahead, go for it now. You can scan this. So guys, these are all our finds for today. We hit the jackpot at this Goodwill. Somehow I always hit the jackpot at your Goodwill. Our cups. Our boats. Our milk jug. Our replacement cup. I don't know if I even showed everybody that replacement cup. We'll talk about that later. Our very cool bowl.
Whoops. I dropped all the things out of it.
Our vintage Jello mold that we found very last minute.
That pole on the cart.
There are 3 pieces there and all of the molds. This is to make whoopie pies. That's going to stay in my house. But I think we're going to go ahead and let them tally up before we do the whoopie pie thing, because these are all of the things that we're going to look to turn over and make a profit. So let's see what we paid.
306.
Fantastic. Guys, we're in our 5th Goodwill of the day, and the 2 of us just spotted something.
Oh my gosh!
No way.
Look here.
Look at that. Nashville.
My
in Las
hometown.
Vegas. Woohoo!